Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Glimpse. We shall be starting in just a short while. And until then, a request to all our joinees on Zoom and on Facebook, do put in your name and the passion that is close to your heart, the passion that makes you smile. We would love to connect with all of you.
Good evening to all our viewers from Pune, from the other states of India, and from all across the globe.
You can see on
Stay
the screen
tuned
the
as
QR
we talk
code,
to our guests,
which you can scan
both
and
of
become
who
a part
actually
of
help us
our
to
Glimpse
detox
community.
through their passions.
Again, a very good
One
evening.
who detoxes the
Welcome,
mind
and we shall
by
start
playing
in
the
just a short
Sadabahar,
while.
the Surbahar, and the other who detoxes the body through her passion of nutrition. To the audience, we shall be recording this episode for quality purposes. Glimpse essentially means the representation of a character. And what better way there is to identify what a person truly is than to observe what he loves from within. That's why the name Glimpse. It also stands for being a symbol that represents something beyond the face value. The three symbols, or three glimpses that we saw in the logo, represent what the concept is all about. They stand for Create, Connect, Express, or CCE. Like we all know, hashtag Glimpse is a channel where you indulge in to identify the passion created within you, connect with each other, and openly and ingenuously express your thoughts and passions. The purpose of this channel is to create a community of like-minded people who share a common drive for passion.
A very good
Passion
evening
is the
to
force
all
that
our
motivates
viewers
you
who have
to
joined
achieve
us on
success
Zoom
and
and
happiness
on Facebook
to build a better life.
Welcome to Glyphs.
It is something that
For the
allows you
first
to
time
be
ever in the
inherently
world,
yourself.
Glyphs is presenting
Your passion can be
the
singing,
Passion Awards.
photography, painting, playing
Tune
an
in
instrument,
tomorrow,
or even something
Friday
as
on the
different as
14th of
collecting
August,
items,
2020
cycling,
at
or
6
sports.
o'clock to
This
witness
might be
a
that you are
beautiful
not
evening
something
with the
that you are
winners
not
from the
necessarily doing
participants
as your
of our
work.
past
In
30
fact,
episodes.
It is better if you have a passion that
So
helps you
audience, get
unwind
ready as we
and
talk to our
enjoy
guests
your
today.
own company.
One who
The
has the
Glimpse
passion of
community
sculpting
is meant to
and the
encourage
other
us to
who
keep
has the
pursuing
passion
our
of
passions.
playing the saxophone.
It is a global
To the
community
audience,
who sees,
we will be recording this
learns,
episode
and
for quality
appreciates the
purposes.
things that we do.
Glyphs
It is also an
essentially
avenue
means the
where you can
representation
showcase
of a character.
your own passion,
And what better
and
way
also
there is to
be
identify what a
inspired
person
to
truly
explore a
is
new passion.
than to observe what
We
he
know you got
loves
it.
from within him.
You know you got it.
And that's
Now,
why the name
let
Glyphs.
the world know you got
It also stands for being a
And that's
symbol
exactly
that
what
represents
we are here to
something
do.
beyond the face value.
Create,
The
connect,
three symbols
express.
or the three glyphs that you
And
saw
so
in the
again,
logo
a very
represent
warm
what the
welcome to
concept
yet
is all
another
about.
beautiful Thursday
They
evening
stand for
on Glimpse
Create,
CCE.
Connect, and
This
Express.
is your host Kavita
Or
Avasti
CCE.
welcoming all of you like we all 39th episode of this wonderful channel where we showcase
Glyphs is
your
a channel
passion.
where you indulge
To the
in
audience,
to
keep the
identify
chat
the
box
passion
alive
created
with
within
your
you,
comments and
connect with each
appreciation.
other, and
And
openly
to our
and
viewers on
ingenuously
Facebook, we
express
are listening to
your
you too.
thoughts and passions.
So please feel free
The
to put
purpose
your
of this
comments
channel
on
is
the
to
Facebook
create a
page,
community
which is
of
live right
like-minded
now
people
by the
who
name
share
of
a
Glyphs,
common drive for
Create,
passion.
Connect, Express.
Passion is the force that motivates
A
you to
springtime
achieve
of musical
success
notes.
and happiness,
The
to build
best
a
way
better life.
to describe the lovely
It is something that
and
allows
now
you to
rare
be
instrument,
inherently
the surbahar.
yourself. Your
Bringing
passion can
this
be music,
lesser-known instrument
singing,
to life
photography,
today
painting,
on this
playing an
episode
instrument,
is
or
our
even
guest,
something as
Swanand
different
Arore.
as collecting items,
Swanand is a
cycling, or
Gandaband
sports.
Shagird of Ustad
This
Rais
might
Khan
be
Sahab,
something that you are
the
not
veteran
necessarily
or the
doing as your
Don
work.
from
In
the
fact,
Meva to the
it is better
Mewati
if you have a
Gharan.
passion that helps you
Swanand
unwind
always had learned
and
the
enjoy
sitar,
your own company.
and one day he simply
The
took
Glyphs
permission
community
from
is
Ustad
meant
Rais
to
Khan
encourage
Sahab
us to
and
keep
bought a
pursuing our
surbahar for
passions.
himself.
It is a global community.
This surbahar
to
was a
see,
specially
learn,
constructed
and
one in
appreciate the things that we
1992
do.
by Yusuf Bhai
It is also
Niratkar,
an avenue
a
where you can
well-known
showcase
instrument
your
maker
own
from
passion
Pune.
and
And
also
from
be
here
inspired
commenced
to
his
explore a
passion
new
of playing
passion.
this lovely instrument.
You know you got it. We know you got
Bihag,
it.
an
Now,
evening rag
let the
based
world
on the
know you got
Kalyan
it.
Ghat.
And that's exactly
तेरे
what
सुर
we are
और
here
मेरे
to do.
गीत and
Create,
जिंदगी के
connect,
सफर में
and
गुजर जाते
express.
हैं जो मकाम are some songs
So again,
which
a
are based
very
on
warm
this rag.
welcome to yet another
performance
lovely
is
evening
Swanand's
on this
homage
lovely
to
channel,
the great
Glyphs
Pandit
CCE.
Jasraj, who left
I
us
am
recently.
your host, Kavita Avasti,
Panditji was
and I welcome
known to
all
sing
of
this
you
rag
to our
with
33rd
amazing
episode,
ras.
where we showcase
Presenting
your passion
Ala,
to the world.
Jod and Ati Jod
To the audience,
on the Surbahar,
keep the chat box
in
alive
Rag
with
Bihar.
your comments
Swanand, over
and
to you for this one.
appreciation. And to our viewers on Facebook, we are listening to you too. So please feel free to put your comments. We would love to connect with each and every one of you. Time to talk to our first guest. Most of the times it is thought that to master a particular art, you have to really be formally trained in it. Mahesh Anzarlegar, a sculptor who has busted this myth, an artist who has been trained by his father and comes from a potter's family. Mahesh has been following the passion of sculpting since the year 2013. He's actually into advertising, but he says that after completing an assignment, he rejuvenates for the next one by creating a sculpture. Even while working, he says, he has his clay right next to him. And sometimes he creates it even while he is in the middle of an assignment. So Mahesh, like I said, no formal education and yet so much passion. How were your formative years in learning this art? We would love to know from you. Over to you, Mahesh. Yes, Mahesh, over to you.
Good evening, and hello. Namaskar. Thanks for joining this online talk where I'm going to share my sculptural journey. Kavita, as I told you, I'm not an academically trained sculptor. I never gone to any art school for get training for this sculpture. Yes, I went to art school, but for other purpose. But here I learned everything, whatever I'm doing, from my father. My father was good artist, and he started one small workshop for making Ganpati. As you know, I'm a potter's family, so we started that. He started that, and then at the age of 4, 5, I was kid and was enjoying the whatever material which is available. I was experimenting. I was imitating my father, whatever he do. And as I grow 6, 7 years, I started capturing that forms, whatever he does. So it was a really organic learning for me. He never taught you have to do like this or that, but and then that gives me creating my own world. So by 8 or 10 years, I started helping me to do small Ganesh idols or finishing something like that. By 10, I think I was ready to take entire responsibility of our workshop on my shoulder. So from that I was doing a lot of Ganesh Murti. So in my sculpture was Ganesha is a major contribution. See, second thing, when I got some basic information or basic understanding of doing clay, handling clay. Basically many people or many people, they do Ganesh Murti from the mold, and that is not challenging my art, right? Because anybody can do it from that side.
Absolutely.
So I encourage people who can give me more challenging works. So in Harne, Konkan area, we have a very large family community of fishermen. Right? So they gives that opportunity. They come to see. Normally we do around 100 Ganpati at a time, from the June to September. But 100 Ganesh Murti means not 100 Ganesh Murti, because each and every Ganpati has got an entire story. The fishermen, they comes with their idea. Okay, we want to show that Draupadi Vastraharan. So then five Pandav, few Kauravas, then Krishna, then Ganpati. So around 8-10 idols will be there. So entirely, if you count, is more than a 500. And every story, every narration is different. So you cannot use a mold. So I learned a lot of things. Means per day, I think I have to construct around 7-8 forms from the clay. So that gives me great opportunity to explore my forms and master on the coiling systems, because in Ganesha you cannot do solid idol. It has to be hollow from inside, so that will save your clay, and it will give more strength. So coiling system I learned from that, and then gradually I trained like a complete this thing. Then after 12th, I joined art school, where my specialization was applied art. But okay, again that applied art helped me, because there were a lot of detailing. You take a lot of references. So I added that. It was the next generation implementation of the whatever technology you have. So suppose I want to make a Ganpati on a fish. So I take a reference. Right? Suppose I want to make a Ganpati in some other different. So I always I go for the reference. And I will tell you one fun part. Somebody suppose come to, okay, I want a Ganpati on the fish. So we are fish eater. So we ask them, कि अरे बाबा वो देखना पड़ेगा, बघायला लागणार मला. I want a reference. Without reference, how can I draw? How can I work your Ganesha? So he go back and give 2-3 big fish. At the end, it will be converted into fish curry. Right? Again, when we go to the coloring, we will ask, okay, now I don't remember doing something else. So that way, crafts everywhere is a fun part. And but yes, observing means we learn from the art school that observation and imitation, right? Observation and utilization that observation into real work. So that crafts was involved and evolved. So and it helps me in my further study also. But after joining art school, in applied art, this comes is not that useful. So almost 20 years after that, I stopped working with the clay. I was busy with my schedule, and after 20, I done nothing in that whatever, like clay work. So in 2010, when everything was settled down, so I thought, "See, what I'm doing, it's not my passion. I'm doing for everything is I'm doing for my running my life, but main I'm not fulfilling my soul's quest. So I started painting initially because I'm very good in painting. I done a lot of copy work of recent painting. So then also one studio I was gone there, and one of the head of the department, he saw me, and
Sundar.
there were a clay. I took the
Beautiful.
clay and
I
I
think
started doing
if
some
we were there,
clay
we would
work,
have actually
and
given you
they
a standing
suggested me,
applause.
Mahesh, you
Nice to know
Absolutely.
that you could start
I
after
just want
so
to
many
say,
years all over
Yes.
just
again.
want to
Yes.
say
yes,
that
yes,
whatever
yes.
good
It's
you
lovely.
like
Actually, this was the
about my
best
playing,
point for
that
the
is due to
turning
my
towards
guru,
the clay.
Ustad Ravi
Nice,
Khan
nice,
sahab,
nice.
and
So that
whatever
just
mistakes are
shows
there,
the kind of
those are
effort that
mine.
Mahesh put
All the
into all
mistakes are
his
mine.
formative years. And
Lovely.
after all
I
this,
think this
we have some
absolutely
lovely
deserves
pictures that
an
Mahesh is
appraise.
going to show
I
to
would
us.
request the
आणि गिरीश
entire
तुम्ही
audience
विचारला आहे
to
मराठीतलं,
put
सो
the
ऑफकोर्स
word
काही
melody
गोष्टी ज्या आम्ही
in the
दाखवणार
chat
आहेत त्याला
box
कदाचित
as our
भाषेची
tribute
गरजच
to
पडणार
what he has
नाही.
played
We
today.
have some
This is
lovely pictures
absolutely
coming up
wonderful.
for
Please
Mahesh. If
show
we can
your
please have those
appreciation
there.
by
He's
putting
going to
in the
Marathi
word
पण पाठवू
melody.
शकतो.
Also,
Yes.
to our audience on Facebook, we would
See,
request you to
हे
do the
माझं
same
एक
thing.
वर्क आहे.
An
This work
absolutely
is
beautiful
especially
performance.
into,
And
this is a plate,
one
you
more
can say. It's a
beautiful
two-dimensional
piece coming
plate.
up,
And I am always fascinated
Dayadhana,
by archaeological
Ragpurvi
work,
or
like found
Purabi.
work, old work,
Again,
whatever
an evening rag.
work is done
This
in
rag is known
caves
to have
or
a
2000
deeply
year back or 3000
serious,
year, 5000 years
quiet,
back. So this is
and somewhat
you can see
mystical character.
minutely. It's
It is
a
uncommon in
group of
performances.
animals. They are running here and there,
And
and one.
performing
So
this
that picture
uncommon
is
rag
captured,
for
but
us,
this is not a
especially
painted.
today,
This is a use of
Swanand,
two
over to you
different
for
clay.
another
One is
melodious
terracotta
performance.
and one
Thank you.
is
Thank you to our audience.
what is that? Ceramics. I have this actual work with me. It's a very sensitive, very lovely work.
Absolutely.
And it's not painted. I have given 2 layers and I scratch it. See, scratching and getting that forms is a really, really peaceful. This thing you involved in such a way. So and you can imagine how the prehistoric man or Neolithic man, how they carve, how they use, and I enjoy that feeling because whatever I do, I just transform. I went means my with my mind. I travel there, and I try to get that feeling. So this is a small tiny work. Yes, this is Indra. Again, I always impressed by Indian sculptures mainly because it has got a different language altogether. Though
Okay, just give it a minute. I think there's
different language.
Yes, there's a slight lag there. Yes, Mahesh, you're back. Yes,
Okay, so it's a different language. See, this is Indra, and I'm showing that it's a sculpture take out from the after 2000 years or 1000 years, and that is get erode. So again that story, because every work, every sculpture, every artwork is has a story. So this is Indra showing that it's a god of king of god. So that richness and everything there, but still it get eroded. So nature किसको भी छूता नहीं. Everywhere nature एक अपना काम कर देता है. This is again one portrait. I think I have done another portrait that is again because that is Mesopotamian girlfriend. In my mind again, that is I travel like what type of people were there, how they work, how they. So these are the characters, persona of that people, and I am reflecting that. And again, that is a concept of the old ancient world. Right? This is Nartika. Some part of the sculpture is defrosted, right? So, but still, it's carry that beauty. We need not to have entire image. Even a small part of the Indian sculpture, you will give same pleasure, same intensity of work, and I believe in that. don't require in entire 6 feet sculpture. Even one hand can show, one hand can tell your that story, that artist, how he was performed.
That is such a beautiful thought. Like he said, they don't need the entire 6 feet or anything. Even a
Yes.
small thing can show how strong the artist is.
Yes, small
Yes.
finger also can tell the entire story.
Beautifully said. Thank you so much for that, Mahesh. And to the audience, just the way Mahesh has shown us some beautiful sculptures, we're also going to look into the world of the amazing and yet unknown facts of this amazing art. It's time for something which we call the Glyphs Quiz. We shall be asking you questions over here, and we would love the audience on Zoom and on Facebook to please put your
Thank you
answers
again,
in the
Swanand.
chat box.
And yes, Rajesh, you
let's
are
get ready for the
right.
quiz.
He says
The
so.
first question
soothing,
of the day.
Absolutely. A
Which
very, very
city
soothing
in
piece of
India
music.
is known
Thank you
as
again,
the ceramic
Swanand,
city?
for that uncommon rag.
Which is
to
known
the
as the
audience.
ceramic city in
Just
India?
the way some
Please put
rags
your
are
answers
uncommon,
in the chat box
there are also
and
many
remember
unknown
to
and
select
uncommon
panelists
facts
and
of
attendees
this
so
lovely
that everyone can see your
instrument and
answers.
their players.
All
So
right,
let's
can
get
we have
ready
the
for the
answers
Glyphs
here?
quiz. To
I'm
the
going to give you a
audience,
hint.
I shall be asking
It's
you
a
a few
place
questions
in the state
based
of Uttar
on
Pradesh.
this instrument and these instrument
Which
players.
city is it? Which is known as
Do
the
put in
ceramic
your
city?
answers
Yes,
in the
Mrinalini,
chat box.
that is right.
Also to our
Khurja
audience
it
on
is.
Facebook.
It is in the
We
state of
would
Uttar
love to
Pradesh.
know if you know
And
these
because it
answers as well.
supplies a large portion
So coming
of the
up to the first
ceramics
question.
which are used in our
The person
country,
who I'm talking
that's
about
why the
is
city has got the
considered
name
one of the
ceramic
greatest
city.
living
All right.
exponents of
Moving
the
on to
Surbahar
the second
and
question.
the sitar.
Which
But
is the
after a
first
personal
known
tragedy, she
sculpture
gave up
of the
playing
Indian
for over 4
subcontinent?
decades. There are
The
no
first
major
known
recordings
sculpture,
known
I'm going to
of
give you
her
a
playing.
hint.
And
It is
the
a
students
metal sculpture.
include some of the greatest
And
musicians
the second
in
one,
the
if I
world,
tell you, you're going
in
to
the
know
country,
immediately.
like
It's from the
Hariprasad
Indus
Chaurasia,
Valley
Nikhil
civilization.
Banerjee, Basant
Which
Kabra,
is this
and
sculpture,
Amit
which is known to
Bhattacharya.
be one of the oldest
Who
and the
is this
first
player
known
that I'm talking
sculptures?
about? Absolutely, Priya. That is
Okay, I'm going to
bang
give
on.
this one
Instant answer
Mohenjo-daro.
we
Yes,
have
it's not
there
Mother Goddess.
from
It's
Priya
the famous
Gokhale,
bronze
the
dancing girl. I'm going to
legendary
show you the
Annapurna
picture of the
Devi.
sculpture,
She's the
which they
daughter
say
of
is
the
from the
great
Indus Valley
Ustad
civilization.
Alauddin Khan
That's the picture
and
on your
the
screen there.
wife of
Okay.
the sitar
Moving
player,
on to the third
Pandit
question.
Ravi Shankar.
Now you can see an
Annapurna
image,
Devi,
all
of
of
course,
you.
it is the right answer.
So
All
Alfie
right.
Bradley is
Moving
the
to the
person
second
from
one.
the UK
I'm going to
who
share
has
a very
created
interesting
this
anecdote about
structure.
Ustad
This structure
Raif
is about
Masab.
27
Masab
feet
and a
in
very
height.
famous ghazal
Can we
player
have the picture
were
on the screen,
invited to
please?
perform at a concert together.
This structure, which you
But
can see
Masab
here,
started singing the
travels
ghazal
around
himself,
the UK
to which
and
the ghazal
it
player
talks
took
about
great offense. In fact,
non-violence. It
immediately
propagates
after the
non-violence.
concert,
My
she took up
question is,
learning the sitar
what is
herself
this structure
from the
made up
senior
of?
sitarist
If you can
Arvind
see there,
Parikh.
what do you think has been
Who
used
was this
to
ghazal
make
player
this
that
structure
the ghazal
by
singer
Alfie
that I'm
Bradley?
talking about,
It's in the UK.
who performed with Masab?
You can definitely zoom in and check what can you
Yes, we
see
need some
on
guesses. I
this
know this is not a
structure.
very easy thing. And
I
if
know
you
it's a
probably
difficult
Google
one.
also, you will
I'm
not
going to
find
give
the
this
answer.
one to you.
Who
This
is this
entire
ghazal
structure
player,
has
ghazal
been
singer
made
that I'm
out of
talking about?
knives. Yes, we have an answer. Asha, yes, that's the answer.
All right, I'll
It's
just
been
give you
made
about
out
10
of
seconds
knives.
to answer that.
There are a phenomenal 1
No answers
lakh
probably means you're
knives
trying to
that
Google.
has
Okay,
been
I'm going to
used
give this
to
one to
create
you.
this
It's
structure. In fact, Alfie is also
no,
known as the
not
Ninth
Srinath
Angel.
Masani Prashant.
He's
Yes, Priya,
persuaded
you are right
hundreds of
again.
criminals
Begum
to give
Akhtar,
up
it
violence,
is Begum
to
Akhtar
give up
Sahiba,
their
the great
knives.
singer,
And these
who was
knives
also
have
known
been used
as
to create this
Malikai
structure.
Ghazal. Yes,
Okay,
it
that's
is the
what
one.
you can see on your screen. All
And
right, and
moving on
now
to the third
moving back
question.
to Mahesh.
Swanand says
Mahesh,
that
we
it
do
is
know
not
that different
necessary to do
materials can
riyas
be
for
used for
long duration.
sculpting. And we do
What
know
is
that you
necessary
also
is to
use
do
a lot of different
continuous
materials. But
So
we
even
would
if
want to know
one
which are the ones
plays
you
1
use
hour
and why
non-stop
is it
every day,
that you
it
prefer
is quite
ceramics
sufficient.
over
So
all the
on these
others.
lines,
We'd love you to share this with our audience.
there was a senior sitar
Basi-
player who used to
basically,
switch on.
when you start our
Listen to
work,
this carefully.
we
He used to
always
switch on at
stick to
India
our
Australia
demand
cricket
of
match,
the object
mute the
or
TV,
demand of the work,
and start
because
his riyas and
we
would
just
not
don't
stop
choose any material
till the
for
drinks
material
break
sake.
after the
What
first
is the demand of that
15
sculpture?
overs. That was
So
his
I
way of
started
doing
with
riyas.
yes, I started with metal.
Who am I
then I
talking
used some
about?
other
Who is this great
material also.
sitar player?
But
I'm
these
going to
are
give you a
basic
hint here.
materials.
He
Metal,
comes from the
wood, or
prestigious
stone,
family of
right?
Ustad
So
Vilayat Khan Sahab.
stone, it
He
was
has been
out of
described as
this thing
Indian
in
music
Mumbai.
personified,
If you want,
and
yeah, Mumbai.
he is
Then
also
so
a Padma Shri
when I was
awardee
searching for the
in the year
material,
2012.
being of
So
potter's
now,
family, the clay
who is this
is
great sitar player
it's a
that I'm
very
talking
close to
about?
me. It's a lot of potential
Come
for
on, they're
the
not so
creativity,
difficult. We all love
and
sitar. We should know
clay
these
has a
names.
meditative
Okay,
effects
I'm
also. I'm
Shahid
not talking
Parvez.
about
Yes,
touching
Prashant, you
that
are
area,
right.
but yes,
Prashant is right
if
here.
you take a
Ustad
wet
Shahid
clay
Parvez
and put
Khan,
your
or
fingers
also
or
known
hand
as
into that,
Shahid Parvez. That is right.
immediately you
Thank you
cool
to the
down.
audience
See, I
for
got
all
a
your
goosebump
answers. I
here.
know they're not
So
very
that
easy,
sort of
but that's why. Some addition to our
feeling
unknown
clay
facts.
gives.
And now,
uh,
Swanand is
and
back
again,
after tuning his
what
lovely
subject I
instrument.
am. See, clay gives
Nenu Mein Badra
entire
Chhai
limitless
from the movie Mera
horizon for
Sire.
you. You think
Before we hear this
it will
performance,
react.
I'm
If
going to
you
show you
have
a
very good
picture
relation
photograph.
with her,
This
you
song
will
was
get
picturized
whatever you
at
want.
this beautiful
Right.
location.
And again,
Can anyone tell
clay
me what is the
like
name of this place and where it is
basically
located?
for this last 2 years, I'm exploring
This
this
is where this
ancient
movie was pictured,
images
this
and
song was picturized.
subjects.
Does anybody
So for
know?
that,
Yes,
clay
it is the
is
Udaipur
definitely
Palace.
giving
That
me
is
whatever
right.
result
The
I
Lake
want.
Palace,
Exactly.
which is located
Because
at
I believe
Udaipur,
in that.
and the marble
You
structure is
cannot
in
do
the old
everything
palace
yourself.
section
Just
called
leave it some
Sajjan
for nature,
Nivas
and
Terrace.
ceramics give that
All right. So
alternative.
Rag Bhim Palasi,
You
Nenu
do
Mein
some
Badra
work,
Chhai,
you
music
put
by
it
Madan
into
Mohan.
kiln.
Over to you,
Sometimes
Swanand, for this
it
one.
gives a very good result, wow factor. Sometimes you have to throw just into fence.
In the early
So
2000s,
that is the fun of the
when
ceramics
Hariharan ji
or
was
terracotta
coming up with the album
whenever
Kash,
you get firing.
for one
So
of its
literally,
songs,
sometimes
he
get
asked
amazing
Khasa to
results.
also play
Sometimes
the
you have to.
interlude music
So that
in
chances
Rag
are
Bhim
also
Palasi.
there. I'm
And
open
he
to
said,
that.
Khasa, wo Neno Mein
Because
Badra Chhai wali
that's
sitar
the fun
chahiye.
of the clay.
तो खासा said,
Playing
पहले
with
उस
the
वक्त
clay,
का खासा अलग
it's
था, इस वक्त का
main
खासा अलग है.
motive
So he
of
played the interlude
my
for
work.
ये
But okay,
आईने
whatever
में
out of
अकेले
that,
से
playing with the
गुफ्तगू
clay,
क्या है?
whatever
But the
sculptures or
Bhimpalasi
what
he
puts come
played
is the
for
byproduct.
Hariharan
Right.
for the chromatic
It is
Bhimpalasi.
not better than
Play
that
the
pleasure
interludes in
what
the middle of this song.
clay gives.
I'll play the M0 of this song,
Music,
then the coda,
yes,
and then the interlude
absolutely.
from Hariji.
Beautiful.
Very well
Please.
said. I think
Absolutely lovely.
it's the end product that matters. Yes, that process is very important.
Important than your product.
Such a beautiful feeling. In fact, I think you've also said that in spite of all this, you can never repeat the same structures, right? That is-
True.
Yes.
Because I'm a passionate sculptor, so I don't work for my bread and butter, right? I do here in advertising everywhere. Every time we have to sacrifice with our budget, our liking, our color scheme, everywhere. But here I don't listen anything. I just listen to my heart. What I want to do, just I want to do. That's so that's the fun of I'm enjoying as a sculptor.
That is so beautiful. The very fact that you enjoy what you do, I think that is the base on which passion is built, and that is the base on which we have built this channel to showcase this kind of passion. And yes, we do know, Mahesh, that sculptures come in so many different forms, so many different emotions that you try and show through your sculpture. So, what is it that gives you inspiration? How do you choose a topic for that sculpture that you want to make next?
See, again, inspirations means artists always take inspiration from either from his life or life around him, right? He cannot take any decisions, any inspiration from the sky, right? It is everywhere. गीता में जैसे बताया है ना कि सब कुछ यहाँ से है और यहाँ से लेना है, यहाँ छोड़ना है. So same applies for the artist. Like I will give you some example. When I thought of getting my first exhibition in sculpture in 2013, I booked gallery, but there were no subject. But in 2012, I lost my mother, and it was huge loss for me because in 2008 I lost my father was passed away. So it was huge vacuum in my life. So I thought, can I? But in a positive manner, I took it as a what was the best moment of my life with my mother or my father. So I construct around 7-8 sculptures. That is typical Indian imaginary, the way we play with our, or the way other way, the way mother play with her child, small child. So that imagery I captured, and I then converted into my sculpture. It was huge feat, right? Just you can see that she's flaunting with her child, and then some emotional uh, holding of that small child. So that way, this is what the subject is come from my heart, and that's why I convert into that. Mother and father definitely is a big support for you, even though there is your wife, your family, they support you very well every time. Still, that gap cannot fulfilled. So that involved that reflection of feelings comes in my work. So again, an artist always work on some energy. Once that energy is exhausted or you fulfill that, he try to move out from that. He cannot remain there, right? So okay, that feeling was got fulfilled, and then next exhibition or then I started stop that using that material, and I come to the clay as a ceramics. I use ceramics material, which is potters normally use for the tablewares, but I use for the sculpting, right? And now, last almost couple of years, I am exploring a lot of possibilities into that. And this time, yes, inspiration is again ancient life or ancient artifacts. Anything related
absolutely.
to
Again,
not
Swanand,
this
we are speechless.
belongs to
किती
this
वेळा
time
ते
of this,
सुंदर
not the
म्हणायचं.
contemporary.
Hema,
Nice,
Amol,
no?
Sandeep,
Thank you
and
so much,
Ashwini,
Mahesh.
Priya,
Like he
Shekhar,
always
all of
says,
them
his
have put in beautiful
creations are a
comments.
reflection
Thank you so
of his
much. Yes,
mindset, which I
Niranjan.
think is
Thank
true
you
with
so
most
much
of
for
the
all
artists.
your beautiful
So,
comments.
thank you
to
so
our
much for those
guest,
beautiful
Swanand.
shares, Mahesh.
And to the audience, do not go anywhere.
Mahesh
There is a
is going to be
surprise for
back
all
with
of
a
you.
beautiful
Swanand
video,
is going to be
which
back
we will
with
have
an
as the
awesome finale
just after we talk to our second guest.
guest has
So
spoken.
just hold on, and we'll be
until
right
then,
back. And
Shruti
until then,
Salyan from
over to
Goregaon is
Malvika,
going
who is going to
is
tell
going to
you
share
how
with
you can
how
also
each one
become a
of you
part
can
of our
also become
ever-growing
a part
channel
of
Glyphs.
our
So over to you,
ever-growing
Malvika.
channel Glyphs. So do not go anywhere. I'll be right
Thank
back.
you, Kavita.
Shruti, over to
Hello,
you.
everyone. I'm sure
Thank you,
the
Kavita.
episode is going
We have
really,
just
really well.
heard
I'll
Swanand
just take
perform
2
his
minutes of
passion.
your
In the
time.
same
My
manner,
name is
all of
Malvika
us
Dixit,
have
and I'm
different
from
passions
Pune,
that we love to
and my
do.
passion is
It may be
singing.
singing,
I am a part of
dancing,
the Glyphs
photography,
community, and I'm
traveling,
very,
or
very
even
proud to say
writing.
that as a
Glyphs
community,
CCE
we
is a
have
channel
reached
that
more
provides
than
you a
74
platform to
cities
take
in
this
India,
passion of
and
yours
globally we
across
have
the
an
globe.
expanse of
We
more than
currently
32
have our
countries.
viewership in
Here
over
we get to
37
meet so
countries
many
across the
like-minded
globe.
people with
Let us
different
have a quick
passions.
poll.
With every passion, there is something unique,
You
something
will
that
see 3
motivates and
options in
inspires
front
me
of you right
to keep
now,
pursuing my passion as well.
requesting you to
For
click
me,
the
the
option
Glyphs community
for which you
is
would
an
like to be a
amazing source
part
of
of the
happiness.
Glyphs CCE
If
community.
anyone of
Can we
you
have
is
the
yet
poll,
to become
please?
a part of Glyphs, a part of growing community, what's stopping you? I'm sure each one of you has
Your
a passion of
passion
your
got
own
here.
too. Or you
What
may
will
know
be your next
someone
step?
around you who
I
has
would
a
like to
passion.
perform Talk
After
About
all,
My Passion
passion is
on
what
an
makes
episode
us
of
unique
Glyphs
in our own way.
CCE. I would like to
For
refer
passion,
a friend
your
or
passion
relative
has
to
got you
perform
here.
Talk About
So
Their
it's time to
Passion on
take
an
the next
episode
step
of
now.
Glyphs CCE.
Write to
I would
us
like
about
to
your
become or
passion on
refer
our
someone
Live
to
or
become
drop
a
me a
production
message on
partner.
our Facebook
This is for the
Messenger,
people on
and we will get
Facebook.
in touch with you.
Y'all can choose
You can
option
see the
1,
email ID
option
now
2,
in
or
the
option
chat
3
box.
in the comment section.
Some of the passions
I
that
will
we
give you
be
about 10
bringing today on
seconds to choose
Glyphs
your
CCE
option.
online channel in the next coming weeks are running, astrophotography, classical guitar, baking, gymnastics, and many,
Wow.
many, many
Thank you
more.
so much.
As you know,
Around
we are a growing
82%
channel,
people have
and
said
we are
that they can
also
refer
getting
someone to our
applications for
channel.
performers
I'm really
to join
excited
us
and looking
from
forward to it
UK,
already.
Switzerland,
You can see
New
our phone
Zealand,
number and
Australia,
email
and
ID
Germany.
on the screen right
So
now.
if you know
So
someone
join
who has
us on this
interesting
Glyphs
things or
CCE
experiences
Unity,
to share
the
about
place
their
where
passions,
every passion
please feel
finds a
free to
home.
ask them to get in touch
Before
with
I
us.
hand it over to our
Let us
host,
have a
let
quick
me take
poll,
this
and you can
opportunity
put in
to
your
thank her
preferences
as
here
well.
as well.
Kavita
For all
Avasthi,
of the
a fashion
Facebook
designer
viewers,
who
you can put
owns
in your
and runs
preferences in
her
the
own
comment
boutique
section.
Poshak
So preference
since the
A
last
would be,
26
I
years
would like
now.
to perform
Is also
or
a
talk
mentor
about my
at
passion on an
Deyasra
episode.
and a BNI
reference
member
frequently. I
and a
would like to
senior
refer a
director
friend or
consultant
relative
at
to
BNI
perform a
Pune
talk.
West. Thank you,
Let's start with
Kavita.
the poll,
Over
and
to
I'm
you.
sure you are
Thank you
putting your
so much,
preferences now.
Shruti. And thank you again to our audience for all the lovely shares. And moving on,
Okay.
for
Great.
all
Thank you
our
for giving your
foodies
preference.
present today,
Wow,
it is said
feels
that
great
the
to say
only
that
one thing that you
57%
like
of
better
us
than
today
talking
have
about
someone
food
they want to refer
is
to
eating good
perform
food.
on our Glyphs
And
episode.
we have
I would
someone
also
with
like to
us who
thank
does both,
Salil, Gayatri, and
talks
Tanush,
about good
as we
food
know, the
and
founders
eats
of
good food.
Glyphs, for
Better
creating
still,
this wonderful
helps
platform
others
and
also to
community.
eat good food.
Before I
This
hand
is
over to
World
our host,
Nutrition
let
Week,
me
and
take
we
this
are extremely
opportunity to
happy
thank her
to
as well.
have the perfect
Mrs.
guest
Kavita
with us
Awasthi.
today.
She is a
Mridul
fashion
Patwardhan,
designer who owns
always a
and
food
runs
lover,
Poshak,
she
a
gained weight and
26-year-old
crossed the
boutique on
100 kg
FC Road
mark.
that specializes
In
in traditional
2012,
Indian clothing.
this weight
She's
combined
also a
with work
mentor
stress
at Deyasta
developed
and a
into
senior
multiple
director
sclerosis,
consultant
and
at
there came a
BNI
stage
Pune West.
where the doctors
So
told
over
her,
to you, Kavita. Thank
consult
you so much.
a psychologist
Thank you
and
so
be
much,
prepared to
Malvika,
go
and
into a
thank you again
wheelchair
to our audience
for life.
for all your lovely shares
This
and
was the
everything.
starting point
So
of
again,
her
a
passion.
reminder to all our
A
viewers
successful
that we
costume
have
designer,
something very
she
special
gave up her
planned
career
for
and
tomorrow
followed
evening.
her heart,
For the very
her passion,
first time in the
nutrition.
world, the
A
Glyphs
passion
Passion
which has
Awards.
made her realize
Do
that
put in
this
your
could
mail
be
IDs
used
in the chat
perfectly
box,
to
and we shall
enrich people's
send you
lives.
a
And so,
special
Mridul,
invite for the
we
show
know that your
that's
mantra
happening
is
tomorrow,
what you eat
Friday
is what
at
you
6
become
o'clock
or
in
what
the
you
evening.
are.
Please
Losing
do put in your mail IDs
46
and we'll send you the
kgs in
invite.
8 months.
And moving on,
What has been your inspiration?
saxophone.
Mridul? We would love to know.
It is said that this
The
instrument
inspiration
literally
actually is to
sings,
be healthy,
and when
fit,
at its
and in fact
best,
to want to
it
live.
actually sounds
So when I
like a
was
human
really
voice.
bad, as you mentioned earlier,
Sandeep
I was
Kumthekar,
really,
who has the
my
passion
health was really
of
bad. I
playing
was
this
112
beautiful
kilos. I
instrument
was a
since
patient of multiple
2017.
sclerosis,
He
and I used
owes
to
this
get
passion
tired.
to his
I used to
guru,
feel sleepy.
Anil
It was
Karmarkar
just not
sir,
fine.
who
And that
inspired
was
him
when I
and guided
really,
him through this passion.
asked my doctor, what
Sandeep is
should
an
I
architect
do?
by
Give me any
profession,
medicine. I'll go
and in
anywhere
spite
in
of
this world
having
and
a
get
very hectic
that medicine for
schedule,
myself.
he
And then
manages to play
when
this
I
instrument
got to know that
every day
that my
to pursue
destiny
his
could be a
passion.
wheelchair,
And
or
today, we
I
shall
might get
have the
bedridden, it
pleasure
was
of
shocking.
listening
It
to
was
some
shattering, and
beautiful
I could not
songs on
take it
this
at all.
lovely
I said, no, I
instrument.
have
So
to
let's
do
get
something.
ready.
First, I should know what has happened to me.
Jawani
And that is
Diwani.
where the journey began.
The film
My
is most
husband, he
remembered for its songs
gifted
by
me a book
Panchamda.
of Dr. Terry
The
Walls.
film was a
She is a
musical
doctor
hit
in California,
and the
and
ninth highest grossing
she's
film
an MS
at the
patient,
Indian
and
box
she was in a
office.
wheelchair.
The
She got
most
herself
famous
out of the
song of
wheelchair. Now
this
she's
movie,
mountaineering and cycling
Jaane
and
Ja
swimming.
Dhoondta Phir Raha.
And I
On the
just had
saxophone
to not
for
get
Sandeep.
there.
Here comes the first
So it
performance
was
of the
an
evening.
easy job for me. And so I started reading the book, and I read about food, and I read about how many fruits and how much vegetables and all of that. So I was wondering, okay, get to the point. What should I do? That was what she was trying to say. She was saying you should have to eat well. अगर अंदर से खुश रहोगे, अंदर से healthy रहोगे, तो बाहर से भी रह सकते हो. So basically, what I want to tell everybody is it's not about weight loss or weight gain. Okay, we need to stay healthy and fit. So for me, that was my inspiration. I had to get myself out of that ditch and start living. So this inspired me a lot, and of course, there was a friend also who did push me a lot to, begin my journey. And yes, you always need someone to do that for you. And after I got on to this journey, I realized that it's not about how many likes you have on Facebook. Okay, it's not about how many clothes you have in the wardrobe. It's not about how many diamonds you have in your jewelry box. इससे कुछ नहीं होता. Okay, you need to eat well. Your heart, your lungs, your liver, your stomach, your intestines, your brain, they don't understand any of this. What they understand is good food. That's an event for our body. And if we don't eat that, what's the use? What's the purpose of all that we are doing? So when I realized that I have to first get fit, so one day I was when I was flying to a city, the air hostess mentioned, "See, if you get those masks down, first wear your mask and help the other person beside you." So what she meant to say was, "जान है तो जहान है भाई, पहले खुद को बचाओ." So for me, I needed to save myself first. That was the inspiring, thought I would say that made me, force myself, push myself to begin with the show. And then 8 months, as you said, yes, the first 4 months were very tough. I didn't cry though. I was enjoying the food that I was eating because I had a wonderful food palette that I had given myself. So I was eating fruits, dry fruits, nuts, vegetables, raw vegetables which we call salad, then good grains. So of course there are certain grains that we should not eat, but millets and rice and eggs, fish, meat. That was my food palette, and I used to eat all happy food. So I was really enjoying my diet, as we call it, and that is how the food again started inspiring me more to go further and reach my goal. And I had decided that मैं रुकूंगी नहीं, जब तक कि मैं खत्म नहीं कर दूँ my mission, I'm not going to stop. And that is what I did.
Lovely. Thank you. So, Mridul, while you are on all this, to the audience, in case you have any kind of questions, I know that food and weight and all these things is always uppermost on our mind. If you do have any kind of questions from Mridul, please put them in the Q&A section and she will be glad to answer them later in the session. So also we do know that just like the lady at home always feels happy when she's cooking and everything that she cooks is being eaten by everyone at home, we know, Mridul, that you are the happiest when you're using this passion to help the others to lead a healthy lifestyle. So with this kind of passion, how has this brought satisfaction to others and of course to you in turn? We'd love to know.
Oh, I just cannot say. It is amazing. As I understood that food can give me life, I can see it, when I help others. So I can see their medicines, minimizing. There are few people who have stopped taking medicines now. Then I have seen them reduce weight, the confidence that they gain after their, weight loss, or the muscle gain. There are few people who are underweight and want to gain muscle and strength. So, I see them really confident, and I see my passion reflecting, when I see the success for planning it. And it's amazing. I get a very good sleep at night when when I come across a success story, and it's wonderful. It's the best thing that can give me peace. It's blissful.
Absolutely. So I think after hearing all what you have to say, maybe some of us have suddenly thought of food and are getting hungry. So I think let's divert the mind of the audience by the glyphs quiz. Again, to the
Beautiful.
audience,
I think
I'm coming back
everybody
with
is
the
probably
glyphs
giving a standing
quiz.
ovation
So
for
get
this one. I can
ready to
almost see the
answer my
audience standing up and
questions.
clapping for you. Such a brilliant
BMI,
performance. Thank
we
you
all
so
know,
much for that. Thank you
stands
so
for
much, Sandeep.
body mass
Moving on to the
index.
second performance.
My question is,
Teesri
here you're going to
Manzil,
see
one of the
a picture
first
on the screen.
breakthroughs of R.D. Burman's
People
career.
having BMI
India Times movie has
of
ranked
which
this
of the
movie
following
amongst the
values
top 25
is considered obese. You can
must-see
see
Bollywood films.
20,
Notably
25,
for its
29
extremely
and 30.
foot-tapping
So
music
my question
and
is,
songs,
which one of
remain
these
popular
values
even
is
today.
considered to be obese?
Coming up is the next rock and roll number
Yes,
from
Shilpa.
this
Wow.
movie.
Okay,
Aja Aja
that
Mehboob
was
Pyar Tera. Over
instant.
to you,
Yes,
Sandeep.
Samir, you're also right, of course. The answer is 30. So BMI values between 18.5 and 24.9 are considered to be healthy. The values between 25 and 29.9 are considered to be overweight. And all those above 30 are of course considered to be obese. Also, those below 18.5 are considered underweight. All right. So that's for you. For the next question. It's quite a hilarious incident, so I actually wanted to listen to this carefully. A lady named Barbara Hewson was paid a phenomenal $24,100 as compensation after she was squashed by an obese person sitting next to her on her flight. She suffered a blood clot in her chest, torn leg muscles, acute sciatica, and she was bedridden for a month. Wow, that's a lot of damage. My question is, what is the name of the airline that paid her this compensation? Barbara Houston, what was the name of the airline that paid her the $24,100 as compensation? Radhika, it wasn't Delta. It was a transatlantic flight, not Lufthansa. Maybe it's a transatlantic flight. Like I said, it was the Virgin Atlantic. The lady came from Wales, and this happened in the year 2002. So the next time, be careful when you're sitting with someone on your flight. All right. Now, I want you to name 2 countries in the world. The first one, which is known to be the most obese country in the world, and the second, which is known to be the most skinniest country in the world. Which are these 2 countries? I know it's easy to Google, but yet, which is the most obese and which is the most skinniest country? Yes, I also thought it was the US, but surprisingly, it's not the US. US comes at number 2. Japan, Sonia, is the right answer, of course. Which is the first one? Japan is the skinniest. Yes, that's right, Tanna. And it's not US, which is the most obese. There's another one. Like I said, US comes at number 2. No, it's not Germany. It is a place called Nauru, also called as the Republic of Nauru. It's a small island country in the Central Pacific. And yes, all of you are right. Japan it is, which is known to be the skinniest country, with only 3.7% of people being overweight. It's very interesting to know that in this skinny country, next on number 2 is India, followed by Korea, Indonesia, and China. All right. That's for that. Thank you again for all your answers. And moving back to Mridul, she said it's not about weight loss.
Kavita, actually, I wanted to mention something about the BMI question that you mentioned.
Please do, yes.
What happens is, we usually stand on that weighing scale where, the scale shows you the BMR and the BMI and your age, body age and all of that. I want everyone to know forget about that particular scale. BMI जान के क्या करने वाले हो? आपको मिरर में दिखता है आप मोटे हो, ओवरवेट हो, ओबीज हो, उसके ऊपर काम चालू करो. So how does that number really matter? कि आप कौन से वाले नंबर में आते हो या कौन से वाले रेंज में आते हो, it's not really important. You can see yourself putting on weight. You can see आपको स्टैमिना नहीं है, आपको ये नहीं, you can't climb the stairs, you can't climb the hills, and you can't run for a few kilometers. So you should have to start working on it. So just don't bother yourself कितने calories खा रहे हो, कितना BMI है, मेरा BMR कितना है, forget that scale. What you need to do is from tomorrow, put on your exercise, go out for your exercise, eat healthy food, eat on time. ये अगर करने लग जाओगे ना, तो वो numbers में हम लोग अटकेंगे.
Absolutely well said. Mridul always says it's not about weight loss or weight gain. Like she said just now, it's all about good health. That's what she always says. She also says it's all about loving yourself passionately. But yes, Mridul, when we all think of losing weight or becoming a size 0, like Kareena Kapoor or Shilpa Shetty, the one thing that I think people like me think, and I think I talk for a lot of people in the audience, these ladies do become thin. The main thing is they stay thin. They manage to maintain themselves very well, not like a few of us. I think there are some of us who say that even when we smell good food, we put on weight. That's what I've heard a lot of people say.
All of us could imagine the legendary Shami Kapoor ji in this.
That is more important.
Absolutely
We would love you to
fabulous.
share this with us.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
And
that is the
while
most
Sandeep
important
catches
thing.
his
कम
breath
तो हो जाओगे,
again,
उसके
to
बाद
all
क्या?
the audience,
But yes, you
let's
should start
get
loving
ready
yourself.
for the Glitz
Everyone.
quiz again
अगर आप खुद
about
से
the
मैं तो खुद
saxophone
की
this
favorite
time.
हूँ. as
So get
Karina
ready to
has
answer my
rightly said in
questions.
मैं तो खुद की
We
favorite
all
हूँ,
do
और
know
yes.
that the
और
saxophone
and
is a
even
popular jazz
राजेश
instrument.
खन्ना ने भी कहा
My
कह के
question
रखा
is
हुआ
that
है कि
initially,
जिंदगी
before it
बड़ी
became a
होनी
jazz
चाहिए,
instrument,
तो उसके लिए
it
खाना
used to
भी
be
अच्छा
played
होना
for
चाहिए, मौज
another
करो,
purpose.
have
What was it
fun,
used for?
enjoy the food. लेकिन
Before
उसके
it
साथ
became a
इतनी
jazz
भी मौज मत
instrument, it
करो
was
यार,
played
that
somewhere
you
else.
don't know
What
how to
purpose
control the
was it
weight.
played for?
So what we need to do is we need to
Yes,
set
can we
our
have some
food
answers
palette.
in
Now
the chat
everybody
box?
needs to set a certain food
Okay,
palette
this
for
is, I know,
ourselves.
very not,
It is
not
not
very
because
easy.
it is compulsory.
Yes,
It should be
Pranalini,
done.
again,
अब
yes,
क्या
we
करे,
have,
अब
it was
नसीब
used
ही
in the
ऐसा है
army,
कि
it was used
you
in the
have to eat
military to
all
play the
this
military
food.
music.
It is for everybody.
Originally,
बच्चा
it
हो,
was
बूढ़ा हो,
intended to play in the
player
military
हो, या
bands. The
anybody,
saxophone
model हो,
became popular in
skinny
the jazz
person,
world
whoever. The
only
food palette
after
is
World
fruits,
War I.
salads,
That's
vegetables.
correct. Okay, next.
Grains, of
The
course,
name
grains
of a
में
politician
millets आएंगे,
who
ज्वार,
is known
बाजरा,
to play
रागी,
the
राजगीरा,
saxophone.
अमरन जिसको
He
बोलते
has
हैं.
written in his
Eggs, chicken, fish,
autobiography,
paneer,
My Life,
non-vegetarians
that he
definitely
considered
enjoy
briefly
chicken and fish.
pursuing a music career
And all
before
of
he
this,
decided
okay,
to
is a very
dedicate
good
his
food
life
palette.
to public
Nuts
service
आएंगे
and
उसमें, dry
politics.
fruits आएंगे, but
What is
we
the
eat
name? Of
out
course,
of
before I
this
could, yes,
food
Pradalini,
palette
you're right
every
again.
time.
Wow,
So
we
if you
have some
have
instant
alcohol, if you
answers
have
there.
maida, if you have
Yes, it
sugary
is Bill
fruit,
Clinton,
foods,
the former
okay, all
president
of this
of
is out
the
of our
United
food
States.
palette.
In
Now
fact,
I'm only
Clinton
mentioning मैदा, लेकिन मैदे का
donated
क्या
the
कुछ नहीं करते,
saxophone
उसको
which played
तलने
to
का भी,
the
समोसा भी
American
खाएंगे,
Jazz
ब्रेड भी
Museum
खाएंगे, मैदे
in
का क्या कुछ नहीं
Kansas
बनता.
City.
It's not
All
in our
right, for the
food
third and the
palette.
last question for
Nobody's
today.
food palette.
Though
दुनिया
the
में किसी का भी
saxophone
नहीं है,
is
मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि you are
primarily
not supposed to do
used
this in
by,
India.
they're generally
इंडिया के
played
बाहर
by
खा
the
सकते हो.
males.
Nobody
There are
should.
two sisters in
Human
India
beings
that are
should
extremely
not eat
famous
other
world
than
over
this particular
for
food
playing the
palette.
saxophone.
Now, if you
What
are
are their
going to eat
names
outside
and
this food
where
palette,
are they
obviously
from?
going to put on weight. Now,
The
as you
sisters
mentioned,
from
Kavita,
India,
that
what are their names and where are
women
they
are very
from?
very particular.
Can we
अगर
have
इतना
some
भी बढ़ जाए,
answers
इतने ग्राम भी
in the
बढ़
chat
जाए, मेरे
box?
400 बढ़ गए, मेरे 500 बढ़ गए.
Pranalini, yes,
But
you're allowed
what
to
have you
answer
done
this
for
one
that day?
as well.
कौन सी
And
treat
Girish.
ले ली? So when I mentioned treat, okay,
The
it
name
is
of the
like
sisters
चलो आज
and
मैंने
which
गुलाब
place they
जामुन
are
खाए,
from.
तो मैंने खुद को treat दे दी है.
All right,
It's
I'm
not
going
in
to
my
give
food
this
palette.
one to
एक
you.
तो
The
उसमें
two
आएगा
sisters
किसी का
are
you know
from
बनता है मैदे
Bangalore.
के साथ,
Their
सूजी के
names
साथ,
are MS
फिर तला हुआ
Lavanya
होता है ऑयल
and
के साथ,
Subbalakshmi.
और फिर
Yes,
जाता है
MS
शुगर में.
Lavanya
तो
it
ये
is.
बड़ी
And
treat हो गई
Subbalakshmi.
मेरे
There,
लिए.
Girish comes
Is
up
my
with the
weight going to
answer.
increase? Yes,
Pranali,
definitely it
Pranalini
will
says
increase.
she has
किसी
no
का भी
idea.
हो
We'll
जाएगा.
wait for the next time for
I'm not
you.
talking about the underweight
Okay,
people.
they just
They are
about
really
play
happy.
every
But
genre that there
किसी
is,
का भी हो
right from
जाएगा.
jazz
Now
to
what you need to
Carnatic
do is you
to
have to
fusion
first
to
get
Bollywood.
the
Truly, women
number,
power
the
it
desired
is.
number on the weighing
All
scale
right, and
back.
now that Sandeep
तो
is
वो
back in
क्या
his form,
करना
let's
होगा
get
कि
ready for the
अगर
next
आपने आज गुलाब
performance.
जामुन खाया,
An
एक दो दिन के
intense
बाद आपको
and
दिखेगा चलो 1 किलो
extremely
बढ़ गया.
popular song
First get the
from the
number
more
back.
recent
For example, if you're
movies,
60 and you have become
Khamoshiyan,
61, come back to
composed
60
by Ankit
and then
Tiwari
take
and
your
sung
next treat.
beautifully by
So when I'm
Arijit
saying the
Singh.
next treat कि
A
चलो अभी
lovely
पाव भाजी खानी
composition
है,
for
तो
this
पहले
beautiful
60 पे आ
instrument.
जाओ,
Back to you,
फिर
Sandeep.
पाव भाजी खानी है. जब तक आप वापस उस नंबर पे नहीं आते, you cannot eat the next treat. जैसे हम बच्चों को बोलते हैं कि एक चॉकलेट हो गया, अब अगला वाला चॉकलेट अच्छा होमवर्क करोगे तो मिलेगा. ये why don't we apply this? Why do we want to have treats? और आज पानी पूरी खा ली, कल पाव भाजी खा ली, उसके बाद सैंडविच खा लिया, उसके बाद कुछ मीठा खा लिया, रुकते ही नहीं. We don't allow our body to recover from the treats that we have taken. अगर ये करेंगे तो क्यों वजन बढ़ेगा? Why will we even grow bigger? So you have to just keep coming back to the desired number. तब तक you have to be very very strict with yourself, control, stay in the food palette, exercise every day, and then take the next treat. उसके बाद बढ़ेगा वापस, बढ़ने दो. You know what to do. You know how to get yourself back on the number. Do that. You'll be happy. You'll be eating everything, and you'll be enjoying the food. Which others are also जो mix करते रहते कि अरे इसने ये खाया मुझे नहीं खाने को हो रहा. You'll enjoy everything. I do.
I think so. That means that the next time any of us think of a cheat day, I think this is what we need to keep in mind. Come back to your original size, and then we go back to the next cheat day. Mridul, we do have a few questions. We will answer them. Amol Purandare has asked a question, and so has Harshal. We will come to your questions. Before that, we'll just take up a last question. So, Mridul, as Indians, we all love food. All the pani puri and the pav bhaji and all the maida, we all love eating. I'm also sure that weight loss or health issues kind of have made us very hyper, and there's a lot of craziness surrounded by all these things. So, what are some of your crazy or whatever hyper incidences that you have encountered in this fashion.
Yes, certainly. I'll mention a few. There was this lady who mentioned to me, you know what, Budul, मेरा ना मोटाबेलिज्म बहुत बढ़ गया है। तो मैं सोचने लगी कि क्या बढ़ गया है आपका? तो शी सेड मोटाबेलिज्म बढ़ गया है, तो वो मुझे कम करना है। तो मैंने उनको बोला आंटी आपको मेटाबॉलिज्म बोलना है। हाँ वही तो बढ़ गया है, बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया है बाबा रे, उसको कम कर दो, ये पूरा उसका राउंड मुझे कम चाहिए। तो मैंने उनको बोला वो मोटाबेलिज्म नहीं होता, हाँ मतलब मोटा और बेली ऐसे जोड़ दिया था उन्होंने एंड शी हैड सेड मोटाबेलिज्म बढ़ गया है। शी वाज हैप्पी, कोस्ट कर खुद को चालू कर दिया था कि कितना बढ़ गया कितना बढ़ गया। तो मैंने उनको बोला नहीं, इसको बोलते हैं मेटाबॉलिज्म। तो एवरीवन शुड नो मेटाबॉलिज्म जरूर बढ़ना चाहिए, मोटाबेलिज्म बिल्कुल मत बढ़ाओ। So that was one thing. And there was this lady who said कि क्या यार ये मत खाओ वो मत खाओ ऐसा मत करो, इतना क्यों खा रहे हो, कितना कंट्रोल करना है, ये this is not fair यार। She mentioned this word, this is not fair। तो मैंने उनको पूछा this is not fair with who, किसके साथ नाइंसाफी हो रही है? तो नहीं यार मुझे ये इतना अच्छा ये सब मन करता है खाने को। आई सेड एक मैंने उनको एक एग्जांपल दिया कि जैसे अब आई हैव ड्रेस्ड इन पिंक एंड आई हैव सम येलो एम्ब्रॉयडरी, तो मैंने थोड़े येलो इयररिंग्स पहने हुए हैं। ये ऑल आर वेरी नाइसली कलर कोऑर्डिनेटेड हियर, ओके, देन आई एम हैव पुट माय क्लिप लाइक दैट। एंड ये बाहर से हम बहुत ही अप टू डेट और अप्रोप्रिएट लगते हैं। Why? Because we have to show ourselves in the society. Meet people. हमारे घर भी बहुत कलर कोऑर्डिनेटेड और अच्छे से सजाए हुए होते हैं। If you go to a function, to a wedding, हमने जरी की साड़ी पहनी हुई होती है and all golden jewelry and all. चुभता है, ओके, वो जो बॉर्डर होती है वो चुभता है, लेकिन फिर भी हमको पहनना है, अच्छा दिखना है, क्योंकि वो अप्रोप्रिएट है। Now what is appropriate? आपको बाहर से पूरा सब अप्रोप्रिएट चाहिए, अंदर बॉडी के अंदर कुछ नहीं अप्रोप्रिएट डालना चाहते, तो कुछ भी खा लिया, समोसे के बाद कुछ भजिया खा ली, कुछ उसके बाद एक सैंडविच वड़ा भी पाव के अंदर डाल के खा लिया, उसके बाद मिर्चा खा ली, उसके बाद कुछ मीठा खा लिया। तो बॉडी अगर मांगती है अप्रोप्रिएट, बाहर से तो आप सब ले लो, अंदर जो चल रहा है उसका क्या करेंगे? There are so many people who are taking animals can't speak, उनके आंखों में दिखता है वो जो बात करते हैं, ओके, they are mute। लेकिन what about our organ? वो तो उससे भी म्यूट है, वो तो चिल्ला के बोलते हैं कि ये अरे यार मृदुल ये मत खाओ वो मत करो, ये क्या कर रहे हो, एक्सरसाइज करो। वो सिर्फ चिल्लाएंगे लेकिन हमको सुनाई नहीं देगा। तो ये जो अप्रोप्रिएट है ना, जो बाहर से अप्रोप्रिएट है वो अंदर से भी होना चाहिए, एंड दैट इज व्हाट शी अग्रीड अपॉन। एंड उसके बाद शी नेवर क्रिप ये क्यों खाना है, ये मत खिलाओ, एंड शी नेवर क्रिप, बिकॉज़ शी सेड अगर मैं बाहर से अप्रोप्रिएट होना चाहती हूँ तो अंदर सब चीज जो भी फूड जाएगा वो करेक्ट हो जाएगा। एंड दैट वाज समथिंग रियली दैट वाज माय अचीवमेंट। एंड और एक बहुत फनी चीज है, people tend to eat something after their meal। कि अब खाना हो गया है, अब थोड़ा फ्रूट काटते हैं और खाते हैं, उसके बाद एक थोड़ा खजूर खा लिया, उसके बाद एक चॉकलेट खा लिया, कुछ आइसक्रीम खा लिया। अब खाना खा चुके हैं, फुल स्टॉप हो गया है, लग गया है, हो गया है काम, अब मत खाओ। व्हाट एग्जांपल आई गिव कि जैसे एक शेर है, उसने एक he has already eaten one deer and is now very happily sitting। उसके सामने there are 4-5 deers dancing and roaming about। वो जाके उनको खाएगा नहीं, उसका खाना खत्म हो गया है, उसका फुल स्टॉप लग गया है, हाथ धो लिए है शेर ने, अब वो जाके उस डियर को मारेगा। तो हम क्यों खाना चाहते हैं हाथ धोने के बाद? जो भी खाना है, अगर वो डिजर्ट भी हो या फिर कोई थोड़ा मीठा भी हो
Beautiful,
या फिर
Sandeep.
फल
We don't
भी हो,
have words for
fruit,
this one.
you should
So
be
well
having that
played.
along with
And
your
of course,
meal
one of my
and
personal
not
favorites.
after your meal।
Thank you so
हमारी
much for
ब्रेन को
that
पता चलता
absolutely wonderful
है कि यहाँ पे
performance.
फुल स्टॉप लग गया है,
And
अब
moving
हाथ धो लिए हैं,
on,
खाना
one
खत्म।
more gem.
Okay,
An Evening in
डब्बा
Paris.
उसका
Released
ढक्कन
in
लग जाता है।
1967,
उसके बाद
produced
अगर
and
वापस खोलेंगे
directed
तो
by
that's like
Shakti
a
Samanta.
new meal altogether,
Fine
which our
acting,
body can't do।
beautiful locations,
So
and
अगर ये
haunting
छोटी चीजें
music
अगर ध्यान में
by the
रखें
ace music
तो you can
directors
keep your
Shankar Jaikishan, of
body
course,
weight in
made
control
this
and
movie
health
a
and
big
fitness।
hit.
और जाते जाते I actually want
Presenting
to mention
the
to
title
everybody
track
health and
of
fitness
this
क्या है।
movie, An Evening in
तो
Paris.
हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस ये है कि आपके ब्लड पैरामीटर्स करेक्ट होने चाहिए इन द रेंज। एंड फिटनेस ये है कि आप पुशिंग, पुलिंग और लिफ्टिंग आपके जितने वजन का कर पाओ। You should be able to push, if you're 60, you should be able to push, pull and lift 60 kg. If you can do that, you can call yourself fit. इससे ज़्यादा करते हो तो ऐसा भी लगेगा, बट इतना तो मिनिमम आपके वेट जितना पुशिंग, पुलिंग, लिफ्टिंग में चाहिए। और हेल्दी रहने के लिए सारे ब्लड पैरामीटर एक रेंज में होने चाहिए। तो अगर ये हम चेक करते रहेंगे, अप्रोप्रिएट खाते रहेंगे, ओके, एंड खाने के बाद खाते नहीं रहेंगे, so we will be, and you have what whichever treat you take, एक treat हो जाने के बाद दूसरी treat, come back to the number and then take the next treat. अगर ये करते हैं तो हम वहीं पे रहेंगे, we will stay happy eating good food and loving food, कुछ नहीं होगा हमसे।
On these lines, Madhur, we have a question by a lady called Mimi. She says, how do we avoid the sugar craving that we get after eating a good meal? Also, she says, what is the best option of eating almonds? Soaked or just with it?
Okay, let me answer the second question
That's
first.
four questions, so we'll just take these up quickly. Yeah.
Certainly. So I'll answer the second question first. Almonds can be had raw or it can be soaked also. People who have kidney, if they have had kidney stone, they should avoid eating almonds raw. जब हम उसको सोक करते हैं पानी में, तो उसका जो उसका कैल्शियम ऑक्सीलेट जो है वो निकल जाता है पानी में, and then we get the almond without the calcium oxalate, which is very essential for a person who is prone to kidney issues. तो बाकी लोग तो उसको बस रॉ से बना सकते हैं। And the first question that you mentioned, Kavita, was about the sweet craving जो खाने के बाद होते हैं। तो अगर sweet cravings होते हैं तो first हमको खुद को पूछना चाहिए, हेलो,
Yes.
am I audible? तो अगर हमको sweet cravings होते हैं तो पहले खुद को पूछना चाहिए कि आपने ठीक से खाया है कि नहीं। If you have not eaten well, if the meal that you've eaten is not complete और पेट भर नहीं है, तो शायद आपको sweet cravings होंगे। It's not about sweet cravings, it is about carbohydrates that our body and our brain is seeking. तो अगर आपके खाने में कार्बोहाइड्रेट कम है, या फिर आपने ठीक से खाना नहीं खाया, ब्रेकफास्ट स्किप हो गया और लंच किया लेकिन वो काफी नहीं हुआ, तो आपको sweet cravings आएंगे। So you will be happy even after having a dry fruit or even say a chickpea or even a child of dark chocolate. लेकिन ये मन की भी बात है कि आपका कंट्रोल नहीं आ रहा है मन पे, कम हो गया है खाना, और कुछ खाना है, और कुछ खाना है, तो थोड़ा सा और मैं थोड़ा सा स्पूनफुल राइस लेती हूँ, ओके। So all this, you keep on wanting more. So that's because you have not kept your mind in check.
We also have a question from Tanmay. All the way, she's from out of India. I think I'm not sure where she's from, but yes, Amsterdam. Yes, she's from Amsterdam. She said, how much should we cook the veggies like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, etc.? Should the veggies be crunchy? And she says she's in Amsterdam, and which is why she's asking. So how should they be cooked?
Yes, the vegetables should be crunchy. It's actually as per our liking. But if we leave the vegetables a little crunchy, we get to chew on them, we get to bite on them, and biting on food, okay, it creates a hormone called leptin. Now it's a little technical,
amazing.
but
Yes, like you have
so
said,
there's this
such
hormone called
absolute
leptin
beautiful
which
clarity.
releases,
And
it
yes,
secretes
Girish
as we
Kothekar,
chew.
you are right.
And then
Sandeep
this
does
hormone
play the harmonica
helps
as
us
well.
understand satiety
Truly
of food.
passion to the
So
hilt.
if we are
Absolutely.
chewing well,
So
okay,
after
we are
such
satisfied with
beautiful
the amount of food that
performances,
we've
audience,
had,
get ready. Like I
always good
promised,
to chew well,
presenting
chew more,
the finale
rather. So
in the signature style of
crunchy
glyphs.
vegetables will help
The
her,
glyphs,
chew
Jugalbandi.
well and get more satiety through food.
Yes, we are going to
But if
see
she
a
has
lovely
irritable
video
bowels,
of Mahesh's
she should
creation.
not allow
और
herself
इस हसीन शाम को और
with
हसी बनाने
too
के
much of
लिए
raw food.
Yes,
a
Tanmay, I
song
hope that answers your
perfectly
question.
accompanying
And
this
we'll take
video
one more quick
played by
question.
Sandeep.
We have a question
Ye
from
Sham
Mitali
Mastani
D'Souza.
from the
She
movie
says, what is
Kati
your
Patang.
opinion on eating every
Here
2 to
comes
3
the
hours?
Jugalbandi.
That's a raging question these days, yeah. So what's your opinion on that?
You can eat after 2 to 3 hours, it depends on what you eat. So actually good health again, there's another point, very important point. Diet is not about how often you eat. It's about at what time you eat, at how much, the portion that you eat, the combination that you eat. If you are having, for example, matki, or sprouts, you should never have cucumber with that. So actually, that is how we should be eating. And come again with the question, Kavita.
Yeah, that's it. On eating every 2 to 3 hours.
Yeah, so she can eat every 2 to 3 hours. If that could be according to the life situation also. If she's very busy and she doesn't have time to take her dabba and eat lunch for good 15 or 20 minutes, so she can divide her meals in small meals, like eating after every 2 to 3 hours. जैसे लोग एक फल खा लिया, फिर छाछ पी ली, फिर थोड़ा सा राइस खा लिया, उसके बाद थोड़ा वेजी सैलेड खा लिया, तो उसको पूरा दिन का खाना वो सेपरेट करके सेग्रीगेट करके 2 से 3 मिनट के बाद.
Thank you for that. And we will take up 2 more questions on the Facebook. We've got one from Amol and one from Harshal. So to both of you, we will be putting your questions on our Facebook page. Because of lack of time, we cannot answer them right now, and Mridul will be happy to answer them to you. So first, like we said, it's all about diet. It's not only about diet, it's about a lifestyle change. And I think the easier we understand this, the easier our life is going to get. Thank you,
The
Mridul.
way you live.
Yes, and to our audience, as promised, here comes our fantastic finale. Mridul is going to show you some guidelines which will help us on our route to the perfect lifestyle. We can also see how Mridul herself looked when her weight was at the highest point. Like I said, she crossed 100 kgs. And synchronizing with her is Swanan, who will be playing the famous folk song which Ustad Hasab played in 1978 on BBC. Gugru Toot Gaye, the lyrics of which are by Katir Rifai. So presenting our signature style, the Glyphs Jugalbandi. Here it comes, audience. Wow. Truly, like I said, a perfect end to a perfect evening. Thank you so much, Ninad. Thank you so much, Ninad and Ashwini Paranspe, for introducing Mahesh and Sandeep on this episode of Glyphs. Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you, Mahesh, for such an absolutely beautiful evening. On behalf of our audience, on behalf of Team Glyphs, heartfelt thanks to both of you for making this evening truly beautiful with everything. Lovely. Thank you. We also thank our ever efficient back-end team, Anirudh, Ankita, Mangesh, Himangi, Apurva, Ashay, Ninad and Aishwarya for their efforts in preparing every episode flawlessly just the way as you have seen here today. And of course, the founders, Salil, Tanushri and Gayatri for creating this awesome channel. Last but not the least, our supportive audience from India and from across the globe for watching, supporting and encouraging us during each and every episode. So before I say good night, a reminder for all of you to attend our awards night which is tomorrow, that is Friday at 6 o'clock. Make sure you don't miss it tomorrow. And like I said, do put in your mail IDs in the chat box and we will send you a special invite for the show tomorrow. So thank you. I am your host, Kavita Avasti, signing off for today. My team and I shall be waiting to see you on our next episode on Sunday. This Sunday, where we shall be talking to a very special guest, Tukaram Munde, IAS, Municipal Commissioner, NMC, Nagpur. Join us to hear him speak on his amazing journey of public service, a passion which he has been religiously following for the past 12 years. See all of you on Sunday at 5 o'clock and of course tomorrow at 6 p.m. for the awards night. Until then, stay safe and take very good care of yourselves. We shall be waiting to see you soon. Good night and have a lovely weekend ahead. To the audience who has joined us today, in case you do want to interact with our guests, Sandeep and Mahesh, please put your name in the chat box and we shall get you
What a
backstage
truly,
where you can
absolutely
interact with them
mesmerizing
and have any
end to a
questions. They
beautiful,
shall be more than happy
melodious,
to answer them for
and
you.
a very informative
So thank
evening.
you
Truly
again.
indeed.
Signing off for today.
So on behalf
Good night
of our
and take care.
audience and Team Glyphs, a heartfelt thanks to our guests, Swanand and Mridul, for joining us on this channel today. Thank you, Swanand. Thank you, Mridul.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
I'd just like to
much.
add one thing.
Yes, Swanand.
I just want to add one thing. Indian classical performance is mostly a expressionist art, so that the artist wants to say something to the audience. But after a while, the reaction of the audience impresses upon the artist and it becomes an impressionist art. And I'm so thankful for Glyph CCE for giving us this platform so that so many people can participate and the artist can become better by their participation. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Absolutely. Beautifully said, Swanand. Thank you so much. I think the pleasure is all ours. Of course, we would also like to thank Ashwini Paranspe and Shilpa Deshpande for introducing Swanand Aroe and Mridul Patwardhan on this episode of our channel. We would also like to thank our ever-efficient back-end team, Anirudh, our technical head, Ankita and Mangesh from DW Place Solutions, Himangi, Apurva, Ashay, Ninad, and Aishwarya for all their efforts in preparing each episode flawlessly. Of course, the founders, Salil, Tanushri, and Gayatri for creating this awesome channel. And last but not the least, our supportive audience from India, from across the globe, for watching, supporting, and encouraging us during each episode of our channel Glyphs CCE. I am your host, Kavita Avasti, signing off for today. My team and I shall be waiting to see you on our next episode where we introduce you to two new passions, singing and dramatics. See you all on Sunday at 5 o'clock. And until then, stay safe, keep exploring your passions, and do take very good care of yourselves. Good night and have a lovely weekend ahead. If in case any of our guests are interested in interacting with our two performers for today, please put in your name in the chat box or press the button of raise hand so that we can get you backstage to talk to them. Take care, everyone. See you very soon. Good night.